Right mobilization. Actually, they want to
Huh.
visualize it.
Like mainly we want to like tap on the back to allow for the mucus to dislodge from.
Usually, we are positioning the patient at least once or twice in every shift.
Huh.
So, this is actually back care time.
Okay.
Made him sit.
Okay. Okay. So whenever he is getting the cough, he'll just spit it out. That's all. Other than that, finally positioning is towards that side or alternating.
Alternative.
Oh.
This side and that side will alternately will do every
Okay.
2 hours, at least 4 hours.
Okay. That ball is for.
That's their photo only there.
Oh. ಏನು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದಾರಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ. Okay. ಇದು ಈ ಪೈಪ್ ಮುಂದೆ ನಿಮ್ ಕೈ ಇಡಿ, ಗಾಳಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ನೋಡಿ. ಹಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಕೈ ಇಡಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾತಾಡಕ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಅದೇ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗಾಳಿ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ.
ಗಾಳಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ
ಬರ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಮಾತಾಡಕ್ಕೆ
ಅದೇ
ಫೋನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ ಮಾತಾಡಕ್ಕೆ.
ನೈಸ್ ARS
ಫೋನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ ಮಾತಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
Like head down position, will it help? Head down.
So actually some this is a single lumen only.
Okay.
You have to put a double lumen with a penetrated thing, and they will if they are speaking it, they can make sound.
Okay. Okay. Now for the mucus to come outside, can we put like head down? Like will it help?
Head down, head down is difficult. We have to upright position only. Easily they will speak.
Okay. Okay.